Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my site, and if you've not subscribed, please leave a subscribe. Just click on subscribe button below. Today I'm going to show you the simplest way of installing Virtual DJ. Just log in to this domain, just here, just enter the way it is, and once you here, just click on download and click on download Virtual DJ. Once you've clicked on that, just scroll down and find the version that you have. If you have Windows, just click here to download. If you have a Mac version, click here to download. I'm going to show you how to install for the software for Windows. So once you download, okay, just do this. It's easy, guys, so please subscribe, and yeah, pretty that's much. So once you're here, just install, accept, install, click yes. Okay, that's it. You have to launch it in order to use it, and once you've done this, you can connect yourself to Facebook or to Microsoft, to Google, and it's pretty easy. So actually it works. So you can sign in wherever you want, and yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, and I wanna urge you to subscribe and share the video to any friend who would like to install the Virtual DJ in Windows 10. Thank you.